Greetings, astronauts. This is a guide that will take you through this website. Now, what is the purpose of this website, I hear you ask? Well, it's to teach you about space in three areas: mathematics, physics, and economics. Now, before we start on this adventure, we first have to have a look at the netiquette. What is the netiquette, I hear you ask? Well, it is a set of rules which must be followed. Now, these rules tell you how to operate on the internet. If you do not agree to these rules, then go no further. But if you have read them, then we can continue. Alright, let's look at the home page. Now, if we scroll down past the netiquette, we can see our three main subject areas: mathematics, physics, and economics. Each subject area has activities under them. Before we jump into these activities, if you scroll a bit further, there is a section that tells us about key figures in the space industry. We have current tweets that come out from NASA, the Australian Space Agency, and SpaceX. Now let's look at the mathematics homepage. In the mathematics homepage, and each homepage, there will be general information that can be used in the next activities. At the bottom of the homepage, there are links to both activities, and if we click on Activity 1, it takes us to Activity 1. Now, each activity uses some sort of technological program. In this case, we use GeoGebra, and on the side here we have questions which you can fill out as you play with these tools. Once you have finished this activity, at the end of each activity there will be links to go to the next activity or back to the home page. We're going to take a look at Physics Activity 3. Once again, activities use some sort of website or tool that you can use. In this case, for Activity 3, we have a website called stuffin.space. If you click it, it will take you to this website. Stuffin.space has all the satellites that currently orbit the Earth. You can click on one and it shows you the orbit and the trajectory of this satellite. You'll be using this in this activity. Now, if you scroll down, you can see a link to the next activity and back to the home page. I'm going to jump to the teachers page now. On the teachers page, there are syllabus stop points that apply to each curriculum area. If you press Ctrl F, you can search for keywords. For example, if I want to see where velocity is, I type in velocity and there it is. In this case, I see velocity under the Mathematics Extension 1 curriculum area, and if I scroll a bit further, I can see it in physics as well. Moving on to the next page, we have references. References show us the links to each website or tool that we used in each activity. On the last page, you can contact us with any queries or questions that might arise, and this goes straight to our team where we can answer it efficiently. Now, that was a quick guide to our website. I hope you enjoy traveling on this journey.